Hello, welcome to my kitchen and channel. My recipe for today is very practical and delicious for you. Baked potatoes with sliced sauce. I peeled and washed my potatoes. Make sure they are all the same thickness. I sliced my potatoes and boil them. I add spices on potatoes. I pepper flakes as a spice. I use thyme, black pepper and salt. I add some oil. I don't want it to be too oily. Mixing with my hand. Let's mix it well, one by one. All the spices come to all of them. Very delicious, practical recipe. I'm lining up my potatoes. As you see in this way, I cut and put greasy paper. I'm lining. At the bottom of the bowl, I add the remaining sauce to the potatoes. I cook in the 200-degree oven that I've already heated. My potatoes with sauce are cooked in the oven. I take them on my serving plate. It was very nice. I hope you try it too. Like my videos. Please don't forget to leave a comment and subscribe to my channel. See you in brand new and practical recipes.